me fixing everything, and because there is always something to fix, I have a problem on this 4K monitor. The Photoshop is just tiny. I had a problem with the Windows, and there is a Windows option where you can scale it, but, and you can see here, yeah, definitely can see, but in Photoshop you just can't see it, very small, yeah, it's just tiny little Photoshop. So now we need to somehow scale the Photoshop itself. You can do it if you have Windows 10, 11. You can do it through the compatibility options inside the Photoshop's preferences, or you can do it through the Photoshop if you have Photoshop CS7 or newer. This is a CS6 on Windows 7 and does not have option for scaling in Photoshop or in the compatibility options. Now, we need to lie the system to not scale it, but by its own will. So this person here explained it very well. I'll show you his website. Very thankful to him for providing the information. His name is Dan Antonelli, and you can search scaling Photoshop CS6, and it will be maybe the first or second result on Google. So what he says is we need to open, I'll show you now, we need to open the regedit in a Windows option, and we need to navigate to H local machine software, Microsoft Windows current versions side by side. So that's what we are going to do. I already opened the registry editor and navigated to this. So H key local machine software, Microsoft Windows current version side by side. Okay, so right key new, and we need a dword 32-bit value, yeah, and the name of the file needs to be prefer external manifest. Okay, so this is what we are going to do. Dword 32-bit value, and I'll write prefer external manifest. There we go, typed. It says then click enter, or just click on the site. Then right click onto it. Right click onto it. Modify. What we want is the value data to be 1 and select decimal. 1 decimal. Okay? Good. So this saved. I can I read some comments that people can't save decimal. I don't know why, but on my side it saves perfectly fine. Then click OK and exit. Good. Now we're gonna exit the Photoshop as well in the top right corner, and we'll follow the steps. We need to open the location of the Photoshop itself. Let's see, where is it? My computer. Okay, and then we will have local disk C, and then maybe program files, then Adobe, Photoshop. Do I have a, yeah, 64-bit, and then we need here, he got us a link to the text file which looks like this. You can copy this thing, or you can already download the whole thing, Photoshop XM manifest, download it. I'll discard because I already have it downloaded. I'll just need to open in showing folder. Should be, oh, did I? Anyway, keep it, showing folder. Okay, so here it is. I'll copy, yeah, and then I will drop it where is the Photoshop exe file. You can see the Photoshop application file. I'll just paste you need to provide administration permission to copy the file. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, we have the Photoshop XM manifest, and now we'll see when we plug it in, system cannot find the file specified. Good job, I broke it now. Fortunately, no luck. And I read the comments in his website. Where is it? Oh no. Unfortunately, no luck. And I read the comments, it's still small. Photoshop CS6 and Windows 7 with this registry edit does not work for no one. There is like 25 comments underneath. Well, unfortunately, I'll put failed in the video, but I just want to make you aware that this fix does not work. So I don't know. I'll need to figure it out. My eye hurts now. I tried changing the resolution. I tried whatnot. It's not working. Okay. See you on the next one. Bye bye.